Imagine walking into your classroom, and instead of a teacher, a robot is waiting to teach you. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with AI growing so fast, could this actually be our future? Right now, over 60% of schools around the world are already testing AI tools. From ChatGPT to Duolingo AI, students are practicing languages, solving math, and even learning history in brand new ways. AI is already inside our classrooms. Unlike traditional teaching, where one pace fits all, AI actually learns about you. It studies your strengths, your weaknesses, and customizes lessons just for you. Research shows that students using AI tutors improve up to 40% faster than average. But here's the catch. AI can give you answers, but it can't give you motivation. It can't inspire creativity or understand your feelings the way a real teacher does. That human connection? Still irreplaceable. Experts predict by 2030, it won't be teachers versus AI. It'll be teachers with AI. Imagine, AI does the boring tasks like grading and lesson prep, while teachers focus on mentoring, guiding, and inspiring. A true upgrade for education. So the question isn't, will AI replace teachers? The real question is, how fast will schools and students adapt to this powerful combination of humans plus AI? Do you think AI will ever completely replace teachers, or will human wisdom always be needed? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future facts and trends.